keep your head up. Look up. Shh. Quiet. There's nothing down there. Everything is ahead of you. Opportunities, eyes, faces, people ahead of you, not down there. You are amazing. You need to look up. Okay? Okay. Ready? Relax. 1, 2, remember the right side. 1, 2, 3. Is that, what side is that? Which side is that? Okay, so just relax. I need everyone to be quiet, please. Just relax, because you're good enough for this. You can do it. So relax. Set up straight. Relax the arms. Relax. Do this. Do this. Relax. Your shoulders are very stiff. Just relax. Good, good, good. 1, 2, 3. Let me tell you something. When you're looking for a job, and before you know it, you'll be out there looking for a job. That will not get you the job. That will tell them you are not ready for that opportunity. You are good enough. You are extraordinary. You have to begin to believe that, because after a while, looking down and giggling is not going to be cute. It is going to determine how far you will go in life. Do you understand me? I want you to go far. Your parents want you to go far. So get rid of that shyness. Let's get this, because I know you can do it. You understand me? All right. I need your eyes up here. Ready? 1, relax. 1, 2, 3. That's awesome. We're going to do it one more time for the road. That was awesome. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes!